Hello, the great family. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Joy. It's another beautiful day. Welcome back to another fashion video. On today's video, I'll be putting some outfits together for fall weather. But before I get into this video, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, guys, it's another fall put together outfit. So guys, we are still on the styling what you have in your closet. So I've just brought out some pieces that will be sharing with you guys today. Most of all these pieces, you guys have seen them, but I'm just still restyling them for some of us that don't have ideas of how to put together or what to put together, because sometimes, we'll have a lot of outfits in our closet, but we still feel we don't have anything to put on to go out. So guys, let's get straight into the video. I'll be starting with what I'm putting on. I'm putting on this beautiful sweats. They are not actually two-piece sets, but they are two different sets, and I put them together. So I'm wearing the sweat top. It's written on it, Girl Empire. So this sweats top is from Tent. So I love the design, I love the color. It comes in black and two shades of pinks. So it's got pocket in front and it's got hoodie. Then on the down part, I'm wearing a sweatpants from Zara. It's pink color. I think I've showed this on the channel before, but I've not styled it before, so this is the first time I'm styling it. So this I'll be doing this black sandals with this two piece that I'm wearing. Then I'll be going with this horse just to give that girly vibe, as is written on the top. It's written Girl Empire, so to give that girly stuff. So I'm doing more of pink. So guys, that's it for the first look. So this look you can do, run your grocery errands, take the kids to school, come back. It's an easy way. Evening stroll. So it's ideal for all that. So that's it for look number one. The next we'll move to look number two. So look number two, I'll be doing a mom denim. I'll be doing a mom denim. This one is from Bershka. Like so. Got two pockets at the back, pockets in the front. So this I pair with this these bodies from Primark. So the bodies has got collar, a little bit of cleavage, and it's got some ruching here in front. Then it's got this clips underneath to clip it under your thighs. So then for coverage, because the weather is a bit cold, yeah, it's cold, the weather is a bit cold, So I'm doing this pink cardigan. Then I'll be going with this pink purse to add some color. So that's it for this. This you can also wear this to drop the kids in school, grocery shopping, like so. So next, for look number 3, I'll be doing this brown leather pants. This one is from Primark. It's a short leather skirt. Sorry, not pants. Short leather skirt. Brown color from Primark. So this I'll be pairing with this bodies from Primark also. So then here I'll be doing a long boots. I have these long boots. Can't remember where I got the long boots from. These ones are very long boots to the thighs. Then I'll be doing this brown purse. I think the brown purse is from Shein. I can't remember, but so this it for look number 3. Okay, for look number 3, I think I also have this long coat from Zara. Comes in this gray color for coverage. So that's it for look number 3. Then for look number 4, I'll be doing this sweat dress. I actually styled it in the last video, but it's obvious you guys know I love the sweat dress. In the last video, I styled it as a blouse, but here I'll be styling it as a dress. So this I style it as a dress, so I'll be paying this so I'll be doing this long boots. Then I'll be doing this white purse from Primark. So guys, that's it for this. The sweat is from Shein. So you can do grocery, evening strolling. You can do a lot with this outfit. So that's it for look number 4. Then next I'll be moving to look number 5. Yeah, we're in fall weather. Let's do a little bit of black. So I'll be doing this This palazzo pants from Zara. Comes like so. It's got side pockets. Then it comes with this like this material on the side, like a satin material going down like so. It's a palazzo pants from Zara. So I'll be pairing it with this black shirt also. The shirt is also from Zara. So it's got button down. So this put together like so. You can do office look with this. So to give me an office look, I'll be doing these heels from Maripas. The heels are not too high, block heel. Then I'll be doing a tote bag to give you that complete office look. But maybe I'm doing too much of black. So if you feel it's too much for you, you can switch to a brown bag or even a nude color shoes, bag. But I just feel like doing all black. So that's the look for this. The next and last but not the least, I'll be doing this sweat from Primark. Yeah, I love the blue color. It comes like so with a little bit of high neck. I'll do for the weather. So I'll be doing a short denim skirt. The short denim skirt is a cargo skirt. If there's anything like that, short denim cargo skirt. So it's got these cargo pockets. Then it's got some pockets by the side. It's got pockets at the back also. What's this design? So it's got pocket at the back also. Then this, I'll be doing a black boots. So I'll be doing this black boots from Primark. Then this purse also from Primark. So guys, check out the combination. It's so cute. So guys, that's it for this look. And this brings us to the end of today's video. So if you guys like this video, please show some love and support by clicking on the like button. That way it will encourage me to do more. If it's what you like, you let me know in the description box. And if there's something else you want me to bring for you guys, I'll gladly do that. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please show some love and support by clicking on the like button. Put your comment down below. Feel free to share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.